Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So some exciting news. I've finally managed to get my hands on our data unit, and Calvert Skippers CS tune will be tuning my car. So just quickly to backtrack, the last video I posted was my cold induction where I gained 7 kilowatt. Since then I've fitted trumpets in the intake, and I've gained 2 kilowatts. So I know there's some people who's gained up to 7 kilowatts, but that's obviously depending on what supporting mods you have, what throttle body, size of your cold induction, maybe cams, and you know, whatever. So I'm not expecting to gain as much. I am happy with the 2 kilowatt gain because it's quite a cheap mod, the trumpet inserts. I unfortunately lost some video footage of it, but I will post some pictures and whatever, and then obviously just show the graph prior to the trumpets and then after. And then yeah, let me get to what this video is actually about today, which is Calvert tuning my car. I've just pulled over along the road just to quickly give a intro video before we start. I don't want to get nervous while Calvert's busy tuning or whatever, but yeah, I won't record too much of what he's doing. I obviously don't want to leak his spice, you know. But I will take a couple of snippets here and there, and maybe a video of him driving my car, giving it a good pull before we tune, and then afterwards I'll obviously do another pull with a video. So yeah, stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy. Morning guys, so it's a couple of days after the tune. We tuned last week and Wednesday, so it's now Tuesday morning, and so yeah, I'm just at Dynotech, gonna do a power run quickly and see what difference Hondata has made. So yeah, I'm quite interested to see. The car has performed really well. I had a few runs on Sunday, and the car did really well, so I'm quite excited to see what power it makes. I'm not expecting too much. I don't expect anything over 165, 166. I don't think I'd get anything over that, but yeah, let's see. Enjoy the video. I might post some of the races that I had. I'm not sure if I should post it on YouTube, but nevertheless, enjoy. I'll take a clip while he does a dyno pull now. Good morning everyone. So I just need to give a little bit of an update. Let me actually just switch off quickly. I was idling home before heading off to work. So okay, so the video you just saw was on Dynotech. I made 155 kilowatts, and the car was having an issue where it was breaking down on top. You can't really hear it breaking down. It was very faintly even being there, and then the graph just ends up, what do you call, I don't know but it just ends up straightening out. It's no longer peaking, right? So went back to the tuner, we were data logging, and we actually realized that my O2 sensor is going. So what happens is, once the car is warm, he's like actually pulled the car on the dyno. It was idling long at Dynotech. It was idling the whole time, and then he did a pull, and then it did that. So we came to the conclusion that I needed a new O2 sensor, ordered one. But during the data logging, we noticed that if you are driving through the gears and you're cruising and then you put down, there's no problem. The car doesn't do it. So what happens is the O2 sensor starts reading lean, and it starts giving too much fuel, and the car starts overfueling. So the video you're about to see now is KSD, and this is after we've learned it. You just need to drive the car through the gears a bit and then, you know, do your pull. At the time that I'm making this video now, my auto sensor has already arrived. It's actually inside. I should have just kept it in the car to show you guys. But I'll do that when we do the fitment at site. Then I'll show you guys the auto sensor. But basically, the video you're gonna see now is pull up on KSD, drove the car but on the dyno, and then we did the pulls. So yeah, with that being said, I'm happy with the power that you're about to see.
Power supplement game, pagkapalongnan. Minutes pada beresan. Destination,